Hey, this is John the Pool Expert. Today I'm on a job where the pump is not working because it's a brand new pool. They don't have their Wi-Fi set up yet, but it's a Jandy, and normally you got to have your Wi-Fi hooked up to use the Aqualink, so the iAqualink. So what I'm going to do is show you how to set up your pump so it will just run manually. So this is a variable speed, I think it's a pH plus pump, that's a Jandy pump, and I'm going to show you how to make it work just by hot wiring it basically. So anyway, check this out. Okay, so what we have is, this is the power. These are extra relays for hooking up like booster pump and stuff if it's a kind of a standalone system. And then over here is your communication connector, your dip switches. But over here is the dry contact settings. So what I'm doing is I'm jumping it from the common over to speed 3. And then once that's hooked up, as long as the pump has power, it'll just run on speed 3. And then you could set it on any of these that you want, common to any one of these, and it'll be on that speed. So anyway, just fired it up like that. All you have to do when you're get the Wi-Fi set up or whatever, then you can remove this and it'll just run on the communication. So anyway, that's how to do it, just for future reference for you guys who need to know. Thank you. Subscribe. Thanks.